suggestion? None. Born on January 4, 1643, in Wolfsport, England, Isaac Newton's early life was no cakewalk. This small village nestled in the English countryside was where one of the greatest minds in history began his journey. The winters were harsh and life was tough, but it was heard that Newton's story started. His dad passed before he was born, and his mom left him to be raised by his grandma. Farming, not his jam. Newton was a curious child, always asking questions and seeking answers. His early years were marked by a sense of isolation and longing for knowledge that farming could not satisfy. He hid the books at the University of Cambridge, and at the first struggled big time. The academic environment was challenging and Newton had to work hard to keep up. But his determination and passion for learning kept him going. He spent countless hours in the library, poring over ancient texts and new ideas. But hold up, during the Great Plague of 1665, when Cambridge shut down, Newton went home and bang. This period of isolation turned out to be a blessing in disguise. Away from distractions of university life, Newton's mind flourished. He spent his days experimenting, thinking, and developing groundbreaking ideas. He developed the laws of motion, universal gravitation, and even laid down the basics of calculus. Talk about a glow up. These discoveries were not just a minor achievements, they were monumental shifts in the way we understand the universe. Newton's work during this time laid the foundation for modern physics and mathematics. In 1687, Newton dropped his magnum opus, The Principia. This book, total game changer, wasn't just a scientific text. It was a revolutionary work that changed the course of history. The Principia outlined Newton's law of motion and universal gravitation, providing a new framework for understanding the physical world. It laid down the three laws of motion and law of universal gravitation, flipping the script on how we understand the physical world. These laws explained everything from the motion planets to the behavior of objects on Earth. Newton's insights were profound and far-reaching, influencing generations of scientists and thinkers. Imagine being so influential that people are still up talking about your book centuries later. Newton's Principia has been studied, analyzed, and revered by countless scholars over the years. Its impact on science and philosophy is immeasurable and continues to inspire new generations of thinkers. But Newton wasn't just brains. He was a boss. He had a commanding presence and a sharp intellect that set him apart from his peers. Newton's contributions to science were matched by his leadership and vision. He became president of the Royal Society and reformed England's currency. His role at the Royal Society allowed him to influence the directions of scientific research and promote new ideas. Newton's work on the currency helped stabilize the economy and demonstrated his practical skills. Yet, despite all the fame, he remained a bit of a lone wolf, always chasing the next big idea. Newton's relentless pursuit of knowledge often led him to work in isolation, away from the distractions of society. His solitary nature allowed him to focus deeply on his research and make groundbreaking discoveries. Newton's journey from a quiet farm boy to one of the greatest minds ever shows what curiosity and determination can do. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance and importance of following one's passion. Newton's early struggles and eventual triumphs serve as inspiration to all who seek to make difference in the world, even in isolation and tough times. He never stopped questioning, never stopped pushing. His legacy, it's massive. Newton's work continues to influence modern science and technology. His ideas remain at the core of our understanding of the universe. Physics, engineering, astronomy, all the way a big thank you to Newton. His contributions have shaped these fields in profound ways, and his influence can be seen everything from space exploration to everyday technology. So if Newton's story has sparked a little curiosity in you, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing stories. Your engagement helps us bring more fascinating tales of history and science to life. Keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next Newton. The world is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and with curiosity and determination, you too can make lasting impact.